Four-Wheel Drive Mechanics magazine acquired this XR650R Honda for filming in the field. This iconic motorcycle had very low hours on it, but suffered from a common malady, poor air filtration, which had allowed dirt and debris to get into the upper cylinder. The air box and the filter were not sealing properly, a problem for dirt motorcycles. This required a rebuild of the upper end of the engine. While this engine had less than 1,000 miles on it, the valves and the Nikasil liner look like they have much more wear. Our choice for service work is LA Sleeve, a four-generation business that specializes in cylinder sleeves. LA Sleeve provides complete machining services for OHV and motorcycle engines, automotive, diesel, and tractor engines. Our head and valves needed attention. The valves and valve seats showed damage. This exhaust valve could not possibly have been seating, and there was a major leak of compression and manifold vacuum. After cleaning up the cylinder head and valves, LA Sleeve tested the vacuum seal at the valves and the valve seats. The leak was substantial. 30% of the cylinder pressure was leaking off at the valves. This confirmed our findings from a cylinder leak-down test. LA Sleeve tested the original valve heads and stems for round and straightness. The intake valves failed this test. Exhaust valves were still serviceable, and the exhaust valves could be machined with thick margins still visible, making these valves fully serviceable for a long life. LA Sleeve Company has specialized equipment for OHV cylinder head work. Here, the hardened original valve seats can be serviced for like-new performance. LA Sleeve Company cuts 3-angle seats. They can also perform precision 5-angled seats. Note the precise workmanship. Valve guides are in like-new condition and are left in place. The precision cut seats will last for a very long service life. New intake valves, reconditioned exhaust valves. The trued and surfaced head is ready to go together with valve springs and new guide seals. While the Nikasil cylinder could have been honed or replated, we opted for LA Sleeve's Moly 2000 alloy iron chrome-moly cylinder sleeve. The high-tensile sleeve can be honed. To install the sleeve requires boring the aluminum cylinder. Here, LA Sleeve presses the cylinder sleeve into the cylinder. Precisely fitted and honed, we opted for a standard bore diameter which allows for future reboring of the cylinder. The top of the cylinder is decked. This is the finished cylinder wall. Precision crosshatch honing. A new cast piston, rings, piston pin, gaskets, and a hot cam stage 1 camshaft come from the extensive parts inventory at LA Sleeve Company.